Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make Epic Games download faster. First, open the Epic Games launcher. Go to the bottom left and click on Settings. Scroll down until you see the section called Download Speed. Make sure this box for Limit Download Speed is not checked. This allows the launcher to use your full internet speed. Next, pause any other downloads or updates running in the background. Streaming videos or online games can slow things down. The fewer programs using the internet, the faster your game will download. If your internet connection is shared, try downloading when fewer people are online. Late evening or early morning usually gives you better speeds. You can also change your Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection. A cable connection is more stable and usually faster than Wi-Fi. Finally, if the download is still slow, restart your router and the Epic Games launcher. Sometimes this refresh alone improves speed. These steps should help you finish your downloads more quickly so you can start playing sooner. Thanks for watching.